Hey guys, so I'm super excited to let you know what I have started. I've started a new venture. It is called Perfectly Posh. I've been using their products for a little over 2 years now. I've loved it. It's something that I kind of just reorder, but really haven't indulged into a lot of their stuff until they recently came out with a new product, which I'll tell you way later about, and I'm obsessed with because I think it can help so many people. But anyways, this is my unboxing of my sales kit, and I'm super excited. I hope you all will be as excited as I am. And I mean, who doesn't love a company that when they get the box in the mail, it actually already speaks to you? I mean, it all starts now. And hey girl, you deserve some me time. And that's what Posh is about. It's about having that, time to relax and be able to pamper yourself, but also in a fun way. Pampering doesn't have to be all serious, and you don't have to go to the spa. You can take a couple minutes every day, or you can make a whole girls' night out of it. So as I'm opening my box, oh my gosh, I'm even more excited. You all know I'm all about some graphic design and about some marketing. I love this box. I might just take it with me everywhere. It'll be my little kit. Alright, so I have 3 little pouches. Love these little pouches. And they are all, see, this is what I love. They are all labeled for me. Anyway, so these are pampering for me. See, Posh just isn't about just the business. They also want to remind you that, hey, you started this program because you love some of our products. So let's get some more products in your hands, and these are all for you. And Social Butterfly. Now this is, if I can read it, this is a hand cream. And I've smelled a bunch of their hand creams. I can't even open this, I'm so excited. And I haven't smelled one yet that I didn't like. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna have to keep that one away from Chad because he's gonna be obsessed with that. Maybe it'll go in the stocking stuffer. Anyways, these are all the goodies that are just for me. Now, I have an awesome little tool, samples, because it's all about pampering, and you want to know and touch and feel and make sure it's something you like. So they also provided me with a bunch of samples. And I even have Gender Bender. These are the soap chunks. These are actually pretty big samples. Honestly, I want to say this is even bigger than the hotel soap that you get. So that lasts you quite a while. So I've got all of my samples that if you host a party, I will be more than excited to share with you. And these are my awesome products that they have already provided me. So I have for my inventory for anybody that wants to order. So I got a big thing of that shower lotion, and also the deep cleanser mask, the Gender Bender chalk bar, Perk skin stick. Ain't That the Youth moisturizing hand cream. This actually helps really replenish your skin with all those natural oils and get rid of all those wrinkles. Oh, and this is a go-to. This is what started my love of Posh. I use this face wash every day, and I am not very good about you know, washing all the time and consistency. That's why some of the other programs like Rowan Day and Fields, they just don't work for me because you have to do that on a very rigorous schedule. This is such a nice, easy, breezy. It makes your skin feel nice and refreshed, and it also has little teeny tiny beads that help exfoliate. I've actually even given a little bit of this to my brother to try, and he's loving it, and he just is not good about face routines either. So this is definitely a must-have in all of your stuff. So anyways, I'm really excited to start this journey. I hope you all as well. I know I'm not one that really likes doing direct sales. I'm not the salesman in the family. You all know this. I always shy away from it. But these are actually products that I can kind of get behind. And in another video, I'll kind of show you of the product that really pushed me over the edge to want to sell, because I think it can really benefit a lot of people. But they've got a bunch of great stuff. Many of it is vegan. None of it is tested on animals. They are very about that, and everything is chemical free. They've got so many natural oils and remedies within Mother Nature. They have chosen to stay away from all of it. So, and we all know how sensitive Chad's skin is, and he's able to use a lot of their products as well. So let me know if you want to throw a party, or if you just are interested in some of their products. I'll be happy to let you know what they are.